13 Pro Max. So let's unbox it. So it's a gold and it's 3 cameras. You look nice. Here's the phone. Let's take it out. The phone is very big, very nice. The camera quality is 4K, 60. You could change it to like 30, but I do 60. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing the camera quality right now. So the camera quality is 4K 60, and it looks very nice. It's very smooth too. And you could like go right here and change some things, like change it. Just do this. It's really good. It's 2160p, so it's 4K. Whenever you record a video, it's gonna be like very smooth. There's no lag, no delay. It's normal. You could, right here, you guys can see that at the top, right over there. You guys can see the 4K. So this is HD. Yeah, it looks pretty good. This is 30, so it's very cracky. Like it like cracks sometimes. It like does not move smooth. That's why I do 4K and 60. So then it's gonna be better quality. And once I do that, then you could change like that. You could change it with this thing. That's actually very cool. And then you can change it back to normal, like that. The phone is nice. It's very big. It's kind of different. The part that's different is this part, the camera in the front. And yeah. So in settings, basically, it looks very different. Also, has now you could watch like videos. If they're like 4K, you could watch videos 4K, like full 4K, like they're 4K. And when you like move it like that, it's no delay, nothing. It just goes. It just moves. Like it swipes so smoothly. And when like the other phones, they do kind of feel weird when you swipe, but this phone feels very smooth. It looks normal. And yeah. Also, the thing about this in games, it's gonna be good. In videos, it's gonna be like if you make a video on your phone on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it is gonna work very good. It's gonna be 4K quality and stuff, so let's shut off the phone. It also comes with a charger, USB-C charger, which is a very fast charger. It's very good. Yeah, there's some more things too. I don't know what this is. I think this is for like you take this SIM out. Yeah, I can't really take it out. Here you go. And yeah, let's put this back in. So this thing, charger, it's almost the best. It charges very fast with your phones. That's why I like this kind of charger. So let's put that back in. And yeah, the case also, it's clear. You guys get this. A very nice, good phone. And like, so it's like, it's better quality too when you do things on the phone. It's like in games, if you have like bad quality on your other phone, this it's gonna be, I don't know, it's just gonna be very good quality. So yeah, it swipes like this. I'll show you right now. It swipes super smooth. So yeah, this is kind of new unboxing video. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And yeah, bye.